Stormin' Norman coming back at you. How you doing? Alright, we're going to put another song together right now. It's called Mother Nature. Anyone can relate to this song. I guarantee you. That's what I write. Songs that people can relate to. Mother Nature. We'll give it a shot here. We call it Mother Nature, but our mother's not the term. When earthquakes and tornadoes hit, we shiver and we squirm. We need to call it Father, 'cause the Father is more firm. We call it Mother Nature, but Mother's not the term. Wind and cold and other things that make us very scared. When Mother Nature does her thing, the outcome's always feared. Cities crumble, people die, there's rain and snow and more. Try to clean this nasty mess, it's so much of a chore. God's the one that's warning us, the end is near, I fear. It says it in the Bible, Armageddon's very near. So if you think I'm kidding, you should take a look around. There's problems high up in the sky and problems underground. We call it Mother Nature, but our mother's not the term. When earthquakes and tornadoes hit, we shiver and we squirm. We need to call it Father, 'cause the Father is more firm. We call it Mother Nature, but our mother's not the term. Live your life the best you can, there's nothing you can do. Enjoy the good that's in the world before your time is through. Never fight and never bitch, be happy all the time. We can now predict the future, yes, we now predict this crime. We call it Mother Nature, but our mother's not the term. When earthquakes and tornadoes hit, we shiver and we squirm. We need to call it Father, 'cause the Father is more firm. We call it Mother Nature, but our mother's not the term. Mother Nature, Mother Nature. And there you have 2 for today to make up for the 2 days that I missed. Have a nice one. Enjoy your weekend, the rest of it, and I will see you Monday. Enjoy. Oh, I got a doctor's appointment. Maybe Tuesday. Tell all your friends. If you like that love song, great. If you like this one, great. Tell all your friends to check me out. Check like, check subscribe. You know the drill. Have a good one. Have a good one. Storm and Norman saying goodbye for the weekend. Adios, mi amigos.